Hi, my name is DJ Bushelli with East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales. Today we're going to demonstrate our 4-point tie-down system, which is part number 1987, and demonstrate how fast and easy it is to use this in the field. With the vehicle already on the deck, we're first going to secure one of the front wheels by running the closed-end loop through one of the spokes, hook it into the integrated hook, and tighten up your strap. We've secured the front wheel, we've brought the deck back up. We're now going to go ahead and secure the rear wheel, and then once we've done that, we're just going to repeat the process on the other side, giving you a complete 4-point tie-down system. With one side of the vehicle being secured, we're now going to go to the other side of the vehicle, duplicate the process, and give us a completed 4-point tie-down system. As you can see, nothing touching the wheel other than the nylon strap, which minimizes marring of the wheel. Also, each strap has a 2,000-pound working load limit. So why use a 4-point tie-down kit? It's fast, easy, and gets you off the road as quick as possible. If you'd like more information or you'd like to place an order, please give us a call.